We're being illegal. We're climbing the Hollywood sign. This is what it takes to actually get up to the sign. A lot of crawling in the dirt. Falling. Say hi, Jesse.
Hi.
We're almost there.
We're gonna go see the Hollywood sign up close and personal today.
We will show you.
Come along.
When you climb the Hollywood sign, it's customary to wear flip-flops because it's an easy hike, very level ground. Maybe it was meant to mislead us. Okay, I'll put it. Okay. All right, we're headed back. There was a big man from God that just announced, boys on hillside, please turn around and return to your vehicle now. You are subject to arrest. I knew they knew we were up here. There are cameras.
We got really close.
We did. We got to come back at night and try it again. All right, failed attempt number 1.